Hi, good afternoon to you, to all of you here on my YouTube channel. Well, again, this is Abby Badong, and I want to share to you about an app wherein I've already earned $18. At first, I I was not active on this app. The name of the app is benable.com. B as in boy, E as in echo, N as in November, A as in apple, B as in boy, L as in Lima, and E as in echo, benable.com. So I'm not so active on this app because I was so busy with my work in a BPO industry. I'm a customer service representative. As of now, I was a collection associate in a financial account wherein I was collecting payments from our customers who have loaned luxurious cars, luxurious vehicles, and also have loaned money from our company, like for example personal loan, installment loan, and multi-payment loan. And so I'm not so busy on this app. On this app, I was sometimes promoting some products, recommending some items like clothes, beauty products, and I'm just 2 months ago that I've been a member of on this benable.com. But when I first joined this benable.com, they gave me a $5 bonus when some of the member asked me to join, and he gave me a $5 bonus, which is when you exchange that into peso, the equivalent now from $1 is 58 pesos, right? So if you receive that $5 bonus, so you already earned more than 250 pesos, right? The $5. So when I noticed, when I been visited my benable.com app, I was so shocked that I've already been earned $18. I'm not so active, but I've already earned $18 because some of my followers from TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube, they have, and also from this app benable.com, they bought some of the items or some of the products that I've been endorsing or recommending. So I've already earned $18 just for I think 2 months, even though I'm not so active. So if you want, you can also join me to be one of the members of benable.com. And if you want to join, you can just go to Google, and then you can just type benable.com, benable.com. So what are you waiting for? You can earn now some extra income from that website, which is benable.com. So all you're gonna do is to go to the Google and then type benable.com, B as in boy, E as in echo, N as in November, A as in apple, B as in boy, L as in Lima, and E as in echo, and then .com. And then just put your full name, your email address, and your phone number, and then I will give you an invitation code wherein you can put this invitation code before you registered, and then click registered. And once you registered, you already been a member of benable.com, and you can start now to promote some of the products or items that you will find on the app, and then you will earn commission from any products that you have been promoting or endorsing or recommending, and anyone who can buy that product, you will earn a commission. So if it also, if you have a PayPal account, a wallet PayPal account, you can transfer your earning from your benable.com to your PayPal wallet. It will be also in a dollar. So if, for example, you already earned $80, you can transfer that from your benable.com app to your PayPal wallet, and then if you want to withdraw that, you can transfer your PayPal amount, which is $80, to your any ATM bank account. Then after you transfer it, it will automatically exchange to peso rate. For example, $80 is equivalent to 2,000 pesos, so it will automatically be exchanged into a peso. So now after you transfer that, your money, your dollars from your ATM or from your bank account or from your GCash, then you can just withdraw that from your GCash or from your ATM bank account. So I hope that you have been enjoy watching me here on how to earn extra income from this app, benable.com. So what are you waiting for? You can now register. You can just go to Google and then type benable.com and then put your name, your email address, your phone number, and then register. And then don't forget to put my invitation code to your account so that you can earn $5. And then also, if you like this video, this YouTube video, if you have learned something, you can just click subscribe for more videos. And if you have some questions, you can also ask some questions in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching me here on my YouTube channel. And also don't forget also to create PayPal if you don't have PayPal yet, because that is the only account that you can transfer your earning from benable.com, so that you can withdraw that from your any bank account, GCash or ATM. Also, so that you can exchange your dollar rate from dollar to peso. So I hope that you enjoy watching me here in my YouTube channel. So I hope that you can earn some extra income in this app, benable.com. And also you can also download the benable.com from Play Store. If you have any mobile, you can download the benable.com in the Play Store. Okay, so thank you so much, and again, this is Abby. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.